So at first glance, this may be somewhat of a complex slide, a lot of moving parts, but I'll walk through it and hopefully we'll get a better understanding of the various pieces here and how they work together. If we look at the very top row, we see the gray boxes, one being website, landing pages, we've got emails and forms. These are the different mechanisms by which we're interacting with the customer. So you can think of the web channel here with the website and landing pages. Then we've got emails, another way to interact with the customer. And then for the customer to interact with us, we have forms in which we capture information. Now, below each of those gray boxes, we've got web CMS on the left side. In this case, you could put Sitecore in there and think of that as Sitecore. Then we have marketing automation on the right side, and you can think of that as Eloqua. And so we know that Sitecore definitely supports the website, can support landing pages. Eloqua is all about coordinating email communications and also about capturing information through forms. And we can easily embed Eloqua forms within a Sitecore page. So that becomes something that we do very commonly. Within both platforms, they have the notion of rules engines. So we've got presentation rules, if we want to think of it that way. Rules engines that allow us to configure or assemble content and present it to the visitor or to the email reader at the time they open the email or at the time they come to the website. So now we're able to respond to them. And that response is all based on what we call a unified customer profile and behavior. So below both of these platforms, what we provide is a way for both of these platforms to see a common view of the customer, both the profile information, which typically is managed within the CRM, and then behavioral information, which is both captured by Sitecore through analytics software, let's say the Sitecore OMS or Online Marketing Suite, and also by Eloqua. So within Eloqua, we can, of course, have tracking codes that we can place within our website. And then with Sitecore, we can set up various analytics reports and capture that information. Now, we bring that information together in a common view that both platforms with their rules engines are able to act on. And the rules that we develop are really very much aligned with much of the segmentation that we identified earlier and what Sean described, and also around the buying cycle. So as we go to the next slide, we'll see a logical view of how these systems fit together and actually what we're building for companies right now in support of their multi-channel strategy. So what we have here is web CMS, very much can be Sitecore here, and the marketing automation